Hey guys. Today on the first cooking video on the channel, we will be making a burger, which I haven't really finished in a long time because it always gets so chilly. So hopefully we can make one that doesn't go wrong like that. Yeah. And with us we have Daddy. Also, this may be difficult because I can't change the camera angle. I think this is going to be very difficult. We'll see what I can do, though. Alright, so here's what we need. Burger meat. And possibly some bread, which we'll handle later. And we're going to be trying out these things. I guess it's kind of a habit I like to do when trying to make these videos. Just testing things out. The first time was a meatball experiment. Someone recommended putting spicy stuff in the meatballs, which ruined the whole thing. And what did we do last time? Why am I forgetting?
Carrot chips.
Oh right, we put carrot chips in different things. It actually ended up pretty well, and I actually wanted to keep eating after the video. And here we're making burgers with something and something. Anyway, hammer.
Nope, you can use your hands on this one, buddy. Yep, nope, come over here. Yeah, if you want, you hold this, I'll mush it down.
No, I have tools. I can do this.
No, it's not
I
really.
will violently hammer this meat.
I don't want to hammer the meat. That's not what you want to do.
Let's just let the professional do it. If that's what you want to do. I just don't really like touching raw meat. Instead, I like to violently hammer the meat.
Making sure it's kind of roundish. You want to put a little dimple in the middle.
Put a little dimple in the middle.
So that'll be for you. Alright, for you, we'll do the smokehouse maple.
Alright, I like maples, I
Like
think.
bacon. You can't tell because you can't smell.
I was about to say, let me try, but then I remembered. You didn't have to
I'm using amazing
tell me
burger.
that, because now I'm kind of sad I can't smell it.
Alright. Let's go outside, detect the temperature of the grill.
Alright, we'll be just back in. Alright guys, we're back. The grill is at 600, around 6, it looks like 300 something degrees.
That's Celsius, 350
Well,
Celsius, 650 Fahrenheit.
Oh, you're right, 600.
350 for our Irish friends. Alright, so we're going to turn this down to medium high.
Alright.
And I'm going to shut the sear station off and head and grab the burgers. Stay here.
So anyway, this is just for fill-in. Remember to like and subscribe because that'll really help. We just hit 26 subscribers after many months. Whoa! And finally, you can go on YouTube and search for the channel and see it. So that's pretty neat. Anyway, we got our burgers here. This is really messing with the lighting.
And we'll be back in about 5 minutes to flip it over.
Alright.
A few moments later.
Alright, we are back again. Whoa, yep, the burgers look pretty ready. Whoa! Wah! That scares me every time.
Good. We're gonna let it sit 3 or 4 minutes.
This is taking a while, but, well, we'll be back when that is done.
A few moments later.
Alright, once again, this might be a lot, but we're back. And I am pretty sure the burgers are done. I'm taking a safety step back. So, Daddy has some cheese on his. Not mine for reasons I have already explained. I guess people just don't like to hear me explain these things, so I won't anymore. Well, at least I'll try not to.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're back. I'm not sure if you got what happened before or not, but so. We have this. Daddy has ketchup and cheese. I don't for reasons explained earlier that you may or may not have heard. So anyway, so we are not actually sure at the time of recording if we got us getting this out, but we got this out. I mentioned how it looks edible. Time to eat. I take way too long on this, don't I? Pretty good. I don't have a pun for this. It would be nice if I did, but I don't. Anyway, I'll hold the camera.
Very
if
well
you're
done.
Gonna take your burger.
Just the way you like it.
And the best part is, it's not super chewy, for all I can tell. 10 out of 10 burger. This could use some milk though.